Do you feel it? That quiet voice in the back of your mind telling you that you were meant for more? We all have dreams, but for most of us, they remain just that, dreams, sleeping ghosts in a graveyard of someday. Why are you waiting? The perfect moment does not exist. Time is slipping by while you bargain with yourself. Another day of almost starting, another night of almost committing. You were not born to almost. The only moment you have is right now. Choose. Begin. Now. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Stop wanting success and start demanding it from yourself. Why do you want this? For your family? For freedom? To prove you are not average? Write it down. Make it real. Permission is not coming. Commitment is. Clarity beats intensity. Time block what matters. If your dream does not scare you, it is not big enough. Fear is a compass, not a cage. Start where your feet are. Point yourself toward the hard thing. Protect the space to build. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Choose what you want most. Make it simple to start and hard to stop. Then begin again. You will fail. Let me repeat that. You will fail. And that is good. Failure is the tuition you pay for success. Most people quit when it gets hard. That is why they are not you. When you hit the wall, that is not the end. That is the test. Weather it, and you change. Value yourself enough to keep going. Focus is a decision, not a feeling. Build the habit of showing up. Tiny wins, stacked daily, become identity. Obstacles are part of the path. Raise your standard. Refine under pressure. Pain is the price of progress. Be willing to trade comfort for growth. Start again with better aim. This is where most people stop. You do not. On the other side of hard is who you came to be. What was heavy becomes training. Round 2. Keep moving. Motivation gets you started. Habit keeps you going. Pillar 1. Invest in yourself. Read, learn, listen. Knowledge is the new currency. Capture what you learn so you can use it. Schedule learning like a meeting you cannot miss. Stack it to an existing routine. Small upgrades compound. Pillar 2. Consistency over intensity. It is not one 12-hour day. It is 365 days of one focused hour. Make it easy to repeat. Repeatable beats extreme. Show up, then level up. Protect the streak. Make tomorrow automatic. Pillar 3. Silence the noise. Cut distractions that do not align with your vision. Guard your circle. Create quiet on purpose. Stillness sharpens the blade. Subtract to add power. Move with people moving forward. Do the simple things exceptionally well. Your time is now, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Close this video. Put down your phone. Take the first step. Chase the dream until it becomes your reality. Do not just exist. Live. Go.